Lifting weights will make you bulky if you do this one thing. In this video, I'm going to be discussing how lifting weights can make you bulky if you don't pay attention to a few key details. Now, if you're not familiar on who I am, my name is Michael Pritchett. I'm the owner and founder of Mind Performance Health, personal training and coaching in Sydney, Australia. And with my team, we help clients online and face-to-face with their body composition, fitness, and strength goals. We help a range of clients, whether they're busy professionals, champion bodybuilders, professional athletes. We really dial in and pay attention to key areas of nutrition, training, lifestyle strategies so we can help our clients win at their goals. So if that sounds interesting to you, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel because I'll be giving out tips on this channel to help you with your own fitness transformation goals. I have links down below of free resources to help with your fitness. And if you're ever interested in our coaching program, whether it's online or face-to-face, you can book in a discovery call to see what we can do for you. In this video, I'm going to be discussing how lifting weights can make you bulky if you don't pay attention to a few key details. It's quite common when I have a consultation with a client and they go, hey, I want to lift weights, but I'm scared that I'm going to get bulky. I don't want to look bigger. I want to get more petite. I want to have more lean, toned muscle rather than bulky muscle. And that's fair enough, and I understand. Now, there is a misconception that, just touching a weight will make you look bulky, but it's actually not the weightlifting you got to pay attention to when it comes to this in most cases. Part of this is going to be your genetics. Some ladies out there will start lifting and can generate a lot of muscle mass quickly, and I do have strategies to limit that. And it would be very simple as just putting less frequency and volume and focus on body parts that you don't want to be bulky. I mean, if you find that when you train arms that they respond and get bigger and you're not happy with that, then maybe just don't train arms and focus the volume, intensity, and frequency on different areas of your body and leave your arms out of training. So what you pay attention to, you're going to stress, recover, and adapt and grow, right? But in most cases, it's going to come down to your nutrition. A lot of our bikini competitors are very petite. A lot of our clients that get into shape that just want to look great in a bikini without competing are very petite. They have nice lean muscle and they're all lifting. Maybe they're lifting 3, 4, 5 times per week. It's not the lifting, guys. What you have to pay attention to most of the time is going to be your food. You want to be in a deficit of calories. So you're losing fat and we still want to have enough material there and the macro set up correctly, which we help with, to help you build nice lean muscle. So you can have a nice tone. You might want nicer glutes, nicer shoulders, nicer back. But we want to be in a deficit of calories so you lose body fat and you build nice lean muscle. If you don't want to get bulky, then in most cases, if you're already at a higher body fat percentage and you don't want to gain more body fat and your goal is to lose, then just make sure you're not in a surplus of calories. Because what will happen is you'll start to build muscle, but then we also have more layers of fat. And very simply, as your muscle starts to grow, and our fat starts to grow, you're going to look more bulky. So it's important to manage your expectations and understand that, okay, I want to lift weights and weights will help grow muscle. And I want nice toned muscle, but I want to limit the layers and not look bulky. Well, then you've got to be, like I said, in a fat loss specific phase. You need to be in a deficit of calories, get your macros set up so you lose body fat and build nice lean muscle. All right, most of the time, like I said, it's not going to come down to just lifting weights that makes you bulky. It's going to actually come down to your nutritional setup. So they're the two things you need to be aware of, is it's going to come down to your genetics, but most of the time, I don't see that's the case. And it's just going to come down to you prioritizing your fat loss specific goals. But I touched on it before and I want to touch on it again, is your frequency. If you have a certain look that you're looking to achieve, once again, you might want nicer glutes, nicer shoulders, a small waist. What I recommend and what I do with a lot of my clients is I find out what body parts you want to work on, what body parts do you want to be more imbalanced. For some ladies out there, they have bigger quads and they don't want to make their quads any bigger, but some do as well. So it's important to review your physique and go, okay, what do I want to be more in balance and what do I want to improve? And then what I would recommend with your strength training is prioritizing and training the areas that you want to improve. So for example, if you want to grow more glutes, train them 2, 3, 4 times per week as long as you can recover and adapt. If you want to have less quads, maybe you only train them once a week. Maybe you don't train them at all, okay? It really depends on your goals and how you want to look. For some clients, like with our bikini competitors, we don't do much direct arm work because it's just not needed. We want to focus on different areas of the body. So if you have a specific look that you're going for, try to have a specific plan as well because that's going to give you the result and a much better, high quality result because you're focusing on the things that matter. So genetics, your nutrition, and priorities of your training and your strength training exercises and programming are going to be very, very important in making sure you don't have a bulky physique. If you for example, eat in a surplus of calories, if you're training body parts that respond very quickly often, you can probably expect most of the time that you may have more bulk in those areas or on the physique. So guys, if you found this video very, very helpful, once again, please understand strength training itself is not going to be making you bulky. It's the decisions that you make with strength training and your nutrition that has a possibility of making you bulky. If you ever need any help with your goals to make sure that you don't get bulky with your strength training, that you can, prioritize the physique, build it how you want, sculpt it how you want, click the links down below, book in a strategy session with our team. We help clients online and face-to-face so you get rid of the confusion and you can actually fast track your body composition, strength, and fitness transformation results. So thanks guys, see you in the next one. If you found it helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.